There are many challenges facing pharmacy right now. More cuts coming along soon and increased competition around every corner. So what can a pharmacy owner do to differentiate himself from the competition? Well, it goes without saying that it starts with your pharmacy team. They're your frontline troops, they face your customers every day, they're your dream team, and every business is only ever as good as its people. Now, the best way to improve your space is to work with a pharmacy designer. They can help you to create more efficient dispensing, better consultation rooms, and sales areas that really wow your customers and get them coming back for more. Design is accessible to everyone. It's the best possible way to create a truly outstanding pharmacy space. So invest in your people, invest in your space, and start by talking to your pharmacy designer. The pharmacy profession's 175 years old in the UK, and behind me was the first shop that Jesse Boot took over from his father John in 1883. Jesse was a real pioneer, a real entrepreneur of his day. He understood about business, and his big thing was bringing medicines to the masses, and that's what he did really, really well. Jesse understood about investment in his business. He invested in buildings, he invested in products, and he invested in people. The NHS are keen to promote an integrated healthcare solution, and that includes our network of 12,000 pharmacies who have a key part to play in this delivery. Whether it's a big space, a small space, they've all got their part to play, and it's important that we deliver a healthcare message through what we're doing and through the environment that's there. It's no good trying to encourage customers to come into a pharmacy environment that looks like something that resembles a shop from the mid-1970s. It needs to be a healthcare space. We need to focus on healthcare, and our environment needs to be exactly that. Technology in pharmacy is here to stay. For some locations, it's a superb answer to deliver high volume scripts from small spaces. But it's not the only answer, and it doesn't suit every dispensary in pharmacy. For some, a more traditional approach is what's needed. The common thing in all pharmacies, though, is getting the space right and using the space to best effect and getting the most out of it. Dispensaries are the engine room of any pharmacy, whether it's a health centre, a high street, community pharmacy, or even a hospital. Using the space right is the key. It's not a matter of just putting in some worktop and joinery. All you do is get something which is a new version of what you already had. Designing a dispensary gives you the chance to really create something that works for you, that delivers the needs of the business and really maximises the return on your investment. Big hitters of the pharmacy world all use designers, whether it's their own internal guys or external designers. They all use them because they understand the value that a designer can give them. See, it's all about getting the space right and helping them to increase script production and in patient safety. That's the common thing in every pharmacy. So the big guns do it, but here is the news. Designers are there for you too. No matter what the size of your pharmacy business, they can really help you create a space that really works for your business. Over the last 12 months, I've travelled the length and the breadth of the UK looking at pharmacies, and I've seen some varied results. I've seen some great pharmacies, I've seen some good ones, and I've seen some that, hey, perhaps needs a little bit of help. But the big news is that when we look at what happens when we involve a designer through the process, that we get an uplift in sales of probably between 10 and 15%. That's not unusual. And quite honestly, who wouldn't want that? So we know our pharmacies can do much more than just dispense scripts. We know the importance of developing a top team, and we know that our space needs to be exactly right. Investing in your space can help you increase scripts, provide better healthcare services, and set you up as the go-to place for healthcare in your locality. Your pharmacy designer can help you to create a truly amazing pharmacy space, and they can help you to reduce your project costs as well, leading to a healthy return on your investment. You only get one chance to get this right, so talk to your pharmacy designer today.